What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by my title, I finally got my Ktuner hooked up. That's the tuner view. I had a couple pulls in last night and the night before. It feels so much more healthier. The throttle response is so much better. No more rev hang. She sounds more healthier. But in this video, I'm going to get some pulls for you and get some impressions and tell you how I feel about it. Let's go. So I'm currently on my way to work. There's so much traffic, I can't do no pulls right now. But as you know, my job description is delivering food, so as I'm working today, I'll see if I can get some pulls in between the deliveries, get the deliveries there faster, you know, keep that pizza hot. But I'm trying my hardest right now. But the fucking traffic is crazy. I hate South Philly. Especially in the morning time. Usually everybody's in a rush to work, but not today on a Tuesday. Ooh, bump. Ugh. But if this traffic don't open up, I'll see you on the delivery. It's so hard to do this while you got a manual. I need 3 hands. Alright, just dropped off a delivery. Let's test this out real quick. I noticed you could also hear the fucking Cobra intake 10 times louder now too. Sounds different. Still traffic out here. I'm in Center City. Speed bump. Ugh. Speed bump. Ugh. Yeah, only if I had a truck like that. The life of a delivery driver.
At the light, turn right onto South 12th Street.
Oh, you definitely just got scared.
In half a mile, turn left onto Washington Avenue.
Thank you. Ooh, you see that bus up there though? Ooh. See that school bus up there though?
In 800 feet, turn right onto South 10th Street.
Goals while delivering food? Goals. I mean objectives while delivering food. Just trying to take the shortest route. You gotta keep your eyes ahead. If you see a trash truck, bus, any kind of traffic, you try to make a turn. The faster you get to the place, the more money you make. The less traffic you stay in, the
At the
more
stop
money you make.
sign, turn right onto South 10th Street.
And it's funny how all y'all make fun of delivery drivers for not making money. I got a brand new car, well not new, but 2018 Civic. I got a house, I got a kid. I'm living nice. Not nice, but comfortable. I would like to be better, that's why I'm doing this YouTube stuff. See how it turns out. I'm ready to get monetized. Making a little money now. So if you watch them ads, please don't skip them. But yeah, hopefully this traffic clears up. Get some more pulls in for y'all. If I get a far enough delivery, I'll hit the highway real quick. Get a good pull. But we'll see. See what we can do over here. Feel that boost kick in the 19. Yeah, I only have every gear at 19 psi right now, just to feel it out. Like I said earlier, the throttle response, the rev hang, so much better now. Rev hang, when I used to come at stop signs,
At the light, turn left onto
idle
East
used to go
Snyder
up
Avenue.
little by little.
Then turn right onto South 3rd Street.
And then it would just drop when I come to a stop. Yeah, I don't know why I do that. I think that's like a manual thing. Everybody shakes their shifter like this. Put it in gear. Shake it, make sure it's out of gear. If you do that, put it in the comments below. Let me know.
At the light, turn right onto South 3rd Street. Then turn right onto Cantrell Street.
It just feels so good. To take y'all on a highway run. See what I max this out at. Here we go, guys. Got to get the highway pull footage real quick before I get them work. Just keeps pulling. could have probably did a little better.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Grays Ferry Avenue.
Like I said, take shortcuts. Cut through here.
Turn left onto South 33rd Street, then turn right.
Little red lights. Watch out for them potholes.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Grays Ferry Avenue.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. This is my impressions for the Ktuner. I think I gotta mess with it a little bit more in the laptop. Put more a little boost or change it to one of the other base maps. But as of for me liking it, I love it. Throttle response is 10 times better. No more rev hang. And it just feels like it wants to go like right after 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. I'm gonna have to take on a couple more highway runs to see how I really like it. But as of right now, I love it. So that's it. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. And if you like it that much, share it. Show it to all your friends. And I'm out.